Oh boy, I leave for the end of the day yesterday and I come back and see this. This isn't good. Good morning everyone. It's Sunday morning, the Lord's Day. I'm here to finish the job today. We're gonna stain everything. Some bad things happened yesterday though after I left. The homeowner started staining and we realized immediately that it was not gonna work. The stain was not a good color. It ended up turning out red. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like right here. Not ideal. Super red. It's kind of my fault for picking up that stain. I should have knew it was red because it's called redwood. But on the can, it looked like it would be the right color, but I guess the can was deceiving. So I went ahead this morning. I picked up a new one. It's called American Chestnut, and this should be the one here. So I'm just hoping that once we apply this one onto that one, that it will kind of cover the old red. If not, then we could just add more coats. But yeah, I tried to stain over what we had over there, and it's a transparent stain, so it's not going to cover it up. So what we're going to have to do to fix that is get a sander and then sand that all out and then start from scratch. So I'm going to start painting from over here, work my way around, and then we'll worry about fixing that another day. I've got this side all done now and it looks really good. I think the color matches the style, and yeah, it's not too much to stain it either, so I'm just gonna go on the other side and start doing that one too. That's probably all I'm gonna be able to do today, unfortunately. The homeowner has asked me to dump all this garbage, so I gotta head to the dump and do that. I'll show you how much it is. It's just all this stuff right here is drywall, so I have to dump it separately. So yeah, that's probably all I'll have to do for today. Staining is actually a lot more work than I thought. I thought I'd be done all of it today, 2 coats, but I'm gonna have to come in another day and finish it. I don't have that much more, but yeah. Also, we gotta work on fixing that as well. Just sand it out and then put a new coat on top. I told the homeowner that he's gonna have to do it since he's the one who put it on. If you're a homeowner and you want to help, I would suggest to just let the contractor do all the work, because once you start touching stuff, then that's when you're liable. So like, I can't fix that, or else it's not part of the job, right? It's extra work. So yeah, today's a new day and I'm very excited. We're gonna finish the job 100% today. I'm just gonna touch up a few more things and then we're done. I have another thing to do here as well, but I'm probably gonna put that in a separate video. So just a few more clips here for this video. Alright, this is the last little section left to stain. The homeowner's been giving me some help, so it's good. And he actually did a good job. He was able to remove some of the red stain and then replace it with the new one, and it looks good. You can't even tell up here. You can still see some redness over here, but as far as up here go, it looks really good. And this is the main part, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up real quick. Just like that, I'm all done here. It's been 3 weekends and we're able to finish the whole job. And it was awesome. I had a lot of fun, gained a lot of experience. I've never done a job like this, so this is a job I'd like to do again in the future. I can also use these videos, use these pictures to market it. And yeah, very profitable as well. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe. I enjoy making them, so hopefully I'll get more jobs soon and I can make some more videos. So thank you for watching.